taking a walk along the Coonamesett River, which is across the street from us. Quiet, cold. So where the water goes down through here to go into the ocean, and we come through here. The herring run through here. They have a big herring count they do. And this is where they come there. The ladder is right there so they can go up. Otherwise they go down and meander all the way around. This used to be cranberry bogs at one time. But the conservation area in the town, I believe, took it over. So now it's all conservation land. And you'll see the osprey, the seagulls. When it's spawning time, they're down here picking out all the herring. So very cold today. You can see the sky. There's a gentleman across the way there. He's out walking his dog. Very popular place for walks. Got a German Shepherd. So that's about it. I don't know what the degree is, but it's chilly. And we actually came across to look at that bridge that they put over there so that you could cross over instead of having to go out and around and come down that road there. We live across there. Okay, I hope everybody else is nice and warm, waiting for the Patriot-Niner game. Alrighty, till later. Have a